Vouloir.
means to want. In this video, we will learn the verb to want in the present tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. This is another irregular verb. It does not follow any specific pattern. Let's see how do we conjugate it in present tense. I want.
Je veux.
You want. Informal way.
Tu veux.
He wants. Masculine.
Il veut.
She wants. Feminine.
Elle veut.
We want, or one wants. Informal way.
On veut.
We want. Formal way.
Nous voulons.
You want. Formal way.
Vous voulez.
They want. Group of males or mixed people.
Ils veulent.
They want. Group of only females.
Elles veulent.
This French verb is used to express desires, wishes, or intentions. Learning the conjugation of this verb is essential in French. Let's use these conjugations and build some sentences. I want a cake.
Je veux un gâteau. Je veux un gâteau.
Do you want to come with me?
Tu veux venir avec moi? Tu veux venir avec moi?
He wants to watch TV.
Il veut regarder la télévision. Il veut regarder la télévision.
She wants to learn Spanish.
Elle veut apprendre l'espagnol. Elle veut apprendre l'espagnol.
We want to eat pizza tonight.
On veut manger une pizza ce soir. On veut manger une pizza ce soir.
We want to help our friends.
Nous voulons aider nos amis. Nous voulons aider nos amis.
Do you want a cup of tea?
Vous voulez une tasse de thé? Vous voulez une tasse de thé?
They want to play soccer.
Ils veulent jouer au football. Ils veulent jouer au football.
They want to study tonight.
Elles veulent étudier ce soir. Elles veulent étudier ce soir.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time. If you are following my videos regularly, you will be aware of this subject pronoun table. I want.
Je veux.
You want. Informal way.
Tu veux.
He wants. Masculine.
Il veut.
She wants. Feminine.
Elle veut.
We want, or one wants. Informal way.
On veut.
We want. Formal way.
Nous voulons.
You want. Formal way.
Vous voulez.
They want. Group of males or mixed people.
Ils veulent.
They want. Group of only females.
Elles veulent.
We will learn some more verbs in coming videos. Till then, please keep practicing. Goodbye for now, and see you in next video. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.